And now a check-in on the weather with Noah.
Hello everybody, my name is Noah Barkley, and the weather this week, if anything, it's looking inconsistent. Starting right here, this is the current radar image we have over the lake right now. Down near Boca Raton, it's clear, it's sunny, but when you go a little bit more north, it is going to start to get a little wet. There is a little bit of rain up there, and the reason that is because it's right over the lake coming off of the Gulf. So you'll get that a little bit if you're going up north, but down here you should be fine for the rest of the day, but later in the week that's going to change. And as you'll see right here on the next radar image, a little bit more HD. It is more spotty than it shows on the other radar, a little bit clumped together, but right here you'll see spottier across the northern counties. As you come down near Palm Beach and you come down again toward Boca Raton, you're not going to really get any of that. So you can expect right now and for the next few days, clear skies. But as you'll see right now on the 7-day forecast, it is going to start getting a little rainy, especially Thursday. That's when it really kicks in. Wednesday night, the clouds are also going to start to come in. Really, as I mentioned, the inconsistency. It's going to start off sunny here today on Friday. Saturday, Sunday, it's also going to be a little nice, a little bit of clouds on Sunday. But starting Monday, that's when it doesn't really get muggy, but it does start to get cloudy and more gray. And that's when you'll see going into Tuesday, it'll get like that as well. It'll cool down a little bit as the week goes on. And then really Wednesday night, going into Thursday, you are going to start to get that rain. But for the next few days right now, you are safe from that mugginess. So it is a little nice out. But right now, you can expect sun, but later on, expect some rain. I'm Noah Barkley. Thank you very much. Back to you guys.